are here at Epcot. Well, today is going to be pin trading day. Where's my mom? Corre.
The wonders of Xandar.
Here we go.
What's happening?
I'm not sure.
Well, we'll be right behind you. Don't worry. Good luck. I think we're jumping back.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? But now.
¿Qué piensas de esta gorra? Mami, ¿cómo que no te gusta? Qué feo, mami. Aquí nada tiene precio para que te claven en la caja. Esta tienda es peligrosa. $292. 5 segundos en esta tienda y ya gastamos $300. Mi mami se compró un Mickey y una Minnie y yo me compré una Pandora con este charm, obviamente. I'm gonna put my Pandora on. This is my other Pandora with the Mando and a K. Today, I bought this little boy. Oh my god, it's so adorable! So I bought the Disney one. I didn't really think Olaf was a good match for my Star Wars one. So I needed to invest in a new Pandora. Yes, I love that mask for me. Yeah. I've been going around to see if I can find some good pins, but the boards be having fake ass pins. I traded with someone a Wave B pin for a Disneyland D. These are what I have left for trading, and these are the keepers. Anyway. Hi, Mickey. It's going good. What you doing, Goofy? Are you being a little bit mischievous? Goofy might be my new favorite. Oh, look at you. Hi, Queen. She's a fan, as you can see. She only speaks Spanish, so she might not understand a lot, you know? I mean, it's not like you're gonna say, bye, Queen.
That's where I can help.
5 years ago, you've been constantly scanning the road ahead.
Hang on!
Smart roads are just the beginning.
We keep moving forward. Drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Else lies beyond the horizon. But please remember to watch your step. See you in the future.
been a really fun day. Ended up trading one of my 2025 Disneyland pink ones for this one. I already have this one because I got it when I made my lightsaber, but mine is really messed up. And this one, it'd be the new version. Mine is like all silver and this one has like red and stuff. Really happy with the trades today, but yeah. Bye, Epcot.